Hello guys, welcome to Big Peter, and today I'll teach you how to make money online in Ghana using Clip Claps. So I have payment proof that they pay and they are legit. They pay via PayPal. And if this is the first time watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. So this is it. As you can see, Grand Channel Entertainment Limited has sent you 0.10 USD dollars. Note from Grand Channel Entertainment Limited. Congratulations, you have received the payment from Clip Claps. And they pay you this within 1 to 2 hours or 3 to 5 business days, depending on how fast. But I got paid in 2 hours time. So this is the app Clip Claps. They pay you for watching
Viste
videos.
que
You
la
just
perra del
watch the
vecino está
videos.
embarazada.
When you're done watching, just scroll watching the videos. So when you see below, it's
Watch
like
the lemon.
when it fulls to 267 seconds, then you get a chest, and in every chest you get money. So far, I have 1.73 USD dollars, and you can also invest your coins, yes, and well, I'll show you, don't worry.
This image carefully. Whoa, there's a lot going on here. But can you spot one tiny emoji in this picture? Remember, you can always hit that.
So this is also proof that I got paid.
Ah, there it is.